I'm Michaela Chavez, your neighborhood news reporter at the Naval Air Station in Kingsville, where everyone is celebrating a milestone. The T-45 Goshawk has now flown over 1 million hours over these South Texas skies. An accomplishment that represents years of training.
It's pretty rare. I mean, this has taken 30 years. We've been doing this since 1994.
It's something that Captain Aaron Rybar dreamt of growing up.
My dad flew helicopters, kind of Vietnam era, was a Navy guy, and truthfully never stopped talking about naval aviation. The first time we strapped on a Navy airplane, it was home.
Rybar says the T-45 has trained over 8,000 Navy and Marine Corps pilots in the past 30 years.
We've had, double-digit number of astronauts that got their wings flying this airplane.
Rear Admiral Rich Brophy says he just missed training with the T-45, but still had a chance to fly it.
My experience with the T-45 is actually relatively new. When I came into this current position, I got an opportunity to fly the airplane, went through the syllabus. Fun airplane to fly.
Brophy says half of all Navy aviators that fly off carriers are trained at NAS Kingsville. Aviators tell us their accomplishment would not have been possible without the support of the community.
Every naval aviator really remembers just a couple of days. You remember, of course, the birth of your child. You remember your wedding, and they're going to remember today. They're going to remember that moment when those gold wings went on your chest. Everybody here in Kingsville, that's awesome. We are so excited you're here. I have never seen that anywhere else, and I've lived a lot of places. We're super proud of this community.
The Navy's in the process of choosing which aircraft will replace the T-45 once it's flown its course. The aircraft and the system that will support the next generation of aviators is known as the Undergraduate Jet Training System. It'll include ground instruction, simulation, and air flight. With your neighborhood news in Kingsville, I'm Michaela Chavez, KRIS 6 News.